Hey, thanks for stopping by. This is Chaos Break. I am Amy, and today we're doing Boxycharm for April 2019. Want to see what I got in this month's Boxycharm? Sit back, take a break with me. I'm so excited. It's only April 9th. And my Boxycharm came today. So we're gonna get on into this. I have not seen any spoilers, and I'm super excited. Like, the last 2 months have been so late. This one was early, like almost shockingly early for me. And yay! Maybe I can get it up sooner rather than later. If I sound like I'm talking funny today, my teeth are bugging me really bad. I don't know why. Extreme sensitivity. I don't know. Alright, enough about that. If you don't know, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription. You get 4 to 5 full-size products, and it is $21 a month. I'm so excited. So I'm not going to look. I'm just going to pull things out, and we'll talk about values at the end. Alright, what is this? First thing I see is from Butter London, and this is their Power Up Mascara. Very cool. I have a lot of new mascaras to try out still. I'm just trying to work through some of the other ones that I have, so probably won't use this right away, but I use mascara every day, so it's always a good thing to get. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at this. This is from Hank and Henry. That's kind of cool. You can like see it in there. But I think this is a liquid lipstick. Matte liquid lipstick in the shade Petal Pusher. But the packaging is so cute. Oh, it smells like cupcakes. Whoa. Okay, so it's not a horrible color. It's a little dark compared to what I like to wear, but it's pretty. That's really cute. I'm just all about the packaging. Woohoo! I don't know, it's like 8 o'clock. I should be in bed, or getting ready for bed. I gotta get up at 4:30. Alright, so we have Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. This is a loose powder highlighter. With a box. It's kind of like marbly. Whoa, this is a big size. Okay, this is what it looks like on the inside. So is this Summer Haze is maybe the shade? How do I open it?
Hello? How do I get in there? Okay. I don't think that was the answer, but... Huh. How the heck do you open this? Okay, it would seem like this would just turn, right? But it doesn't. I'm so confused. Does this part turn? No. Okay, it doesn't feel like it should pop off there. How do I open this? Okay, we'll just move on. Now that it's everywhere, so...
This is what it looks like in there. And my finger. That's pretty though. It's right here. Excuse my hands. I did work today, so they're kind of a mess. Well, I would like to say that's cool, but if I have to go through opening this every time oh, no.
Why doesn't it twist? Oh, there we go. Got it. What?
I'm so confused. So I will have to play with that later because I can't figure out the packaging, but it's a pretty color. Cool. All right, what else do we got in here? Okay. Oh, fun. These are super fun. Okay, so this is Luxie Summer Days brush set. Oh, I'm so excited. Wow. I love the colors of these, and I love Luxie brushes, so this is awesome. These ones don't feel like as nice or heavy as what, well, maybe. I don't know. The handles just feel a little different. So we got 3 different brushes. Looks like it comes with the 209 large shader brush. Look at the handles are kind of ombre at the end. And then it comes with small contouring. Oh, these feel really soft. So a small contour brush. And then a small shader brush. Those are awesome. I'm super excited about these. I love brushes, and I've liked any of the Luxie brushes I've gotten in subscription boxes, so that's super cool. Alright, I think there's one more thing in here. Oh, fun! Okay, this is from Pure. The packaging is really pretty. And this is their Festival palette. Let's open it and see what it looks like. Trying to keep myself moving. Oh, the packaging on this, or the outer packaging, is really cute. And the inside is a little bright. These are fun. Let me take that plastic off. Those are cool. Let's swatch them. Okay, so I had to take a small break because my son had some issues that I needed to help with. And then my husband got a phone call and decided to talk really loud. So here we are. We were talking about the Pure Festival palette. I'm gonna swatch them for you. So we have the shade Free Spirit, Psychedelic, and Good Vibes. And then we have Peace. Ooh, this one is Epic. And then we have Gypsy. And then we have Wild Child. All Night. And Modern Desert. And then there is Sunset. And then there's 2 like pressed glitters in here. So we have, fingers are like stained pink from that Wild Child shade. So imagine that would probably stain your eyelids. Holy cow. I don't know about that. So the glitter shade 24K Magic. Sure. Like, holy cow, it's so pretty. Not something I would wear every day, but it's so pretty. And then the glitter shade Fireworks. That one's really cool. So there are some bright colors in there, but there's also some that are more wearable. So I definitely wouldn't wear some of these on a daily basis, but pretty cool. Excited to have that. I don't know. I think the only other Pure eyeshadow I've ever tried, is the Masquerade palette we got in Boxycharm. And there's not a ton of like colors in there. It's not something I reach for a whole lot, to be honest. Yeah, that pink shade is going to stain your eyelid. And I'm going to be glittery for days. So I thought this was kind of cool. On the top of the mirror it says, treat every day like a festival. I don't know, this is fun. It's different. I like it. So also in the little box with this, it's got a little sample of Get a Grip. So this is an Endurance eyeshadow primer. So that also came in there. So that's kind of cool. Alright, let's talk about how much these cost. So, I like the cactuses. So the theme this month was Peace, Love, and Boxy. So the Pure Festival palette retails for $36. The Luxie, the Summer Days three-piece brush set retails for $28. This highlight is $27. I've never heard of Artist Couture before, but that's cool. The Butterlinda mascara is $20. And the Hank and Henry, I told you I can't talk because my mouth feels funny. Hank and Henry liquid lipstick is $17. I'll go ahead and add that up and see what our total is. So the total value for my box this month was $128, which is pretty cool. Because like I said in the beginning, it's only $21 a month. And in case you were curious, I got box number 4. Or variation number 4. So I feel like I like this box better than the last couple of months maybe. Last month I loved, but I got Boxy Lux last month. But January and February, I feel like I like this one a little better. So I like highlight, and let's put this on. Now that I figured out how to open it. Where's my brush? Where's my brush? If you only knew the mess that was in front of me. It's very pretty from what I can see, just putting it on over top of my already highlighted face. Cool. At least it's a color that will work for me. So yeah. Where was I going with this? Full-size mascara. That's cool. I don't need mascara right now, but that's always cool to get, and this is not one I've tried before. Highlight seems pretty. I'll have to try that out. This color is a little dark, but I love the packaging, and it's not totally unwearable color for me. I've loved every Luxie brush I've ever gotten, and these are really pretty. So I'm excited to try those. And the festival palette is something fun and different. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this month's box. So that was my Boxycharm for April. I'm, like I said, pretty happy with this box. I think it was a good value. And yeah, I would love to know down below, did you guys get Boxycharm? What did you think this month of your box? Did you get different stuff than me? Did you get the same things? Have you tried any of these things and really like them or don't like them? All of that down below. And if you like videos like this, we would love to have you join us. So if you would subscribe before you go, that would be amazing. I really hope you have a great day. And I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.